same mistakes that I made when I was 16. Now the thought of making money's feeling more like a pipe dream. I take 2 steps forward and 1,000 back. I shouldn't take this long to get my life on track. Yeah, I swear this basement's gonna be the death of me. So I cry out with a hollow voice, and I fade into the background noise. Cold enough, is this what it feels like? To grow up not knowing how to do anything right. Had big dreams when I was 17, but I've tried and tried and tried, and I just don't think I will ever figure out how to live life. How to live life. I remember what you said, Michael, don't quit your day job. Go to college with a loan that you're never gonna pay off. I'm running out of feelings and reasons to get up in the morning. I'm dreaming, but it all turns to nightmares, and I'm scared I might not wake up. Cold enough, is this what it feels like? To grow up not knowing how to do anything right. Had big dreams when I was 17, but I've tried and tried and tried, and I just don't think I will ever figure out how to live life. How to live life. And I put up a fight, then I broke into tears. Cause you know sometimes it can hurt so bad to be alive. No matter how hard I try, had so much to say, but no one to call. So I pulled my heart out to my full wide wall, screaming, nobody cares at all. Cold and numb, is this what it feels like? To grow up not knowing how to do anything right. Cold enough, is this what it feels like? To grow up not knowing how to do anything right. Had big dreams when I was 17, but I've tried and tried and tried, and I just don't think I will ever figure out how to live life. How to live life.
I don't know what I would do if I heard your voice across the room at some party in some house with music that's way too loud. I would probably act all cool and nice, try to be seen by your eyes, secretly hoping you notice me, wishing you're not with somebody. So if you're not taken, can we take some time so we can talk until the birds wake up, fill up each other's empty cups, share stories from our lives, from when we said goodbye. We could try to find what we left behind, take the good from the bad, leave the rest to the time. If we feel the same when we're sober, then maybe we can start over. If we feel the same when we're sober, then maybe we can start over. Days before we fell out of love and we parted ways. We got too used to fighting, all we did was surviving. Maybe we can laugh at what we used to say, analyze all of the games that we played. Spent way too many nights wiping tears from our tired eyes. So if you're not taken, can we take some time so we can talk until the birds wake up, fill up each other's empty cups, share stories from our lives, from when we said goodbye. We could try to find what we left behind, take the good from the bad, leave the rest to the time. If we feel the same when we're sober, then maybe we can start over. If we feel the same when we're sober, then maybe we can start over. Start over, start over. Start over, start over. I've been dreaming about you again, so someone else hold your hands. Look like you were more than friends, and he loved you better than me. But even though I do know why we're feeling better living separate lives, I've been wondering what it'll be like if you and I would start over, start over. So let's start until the birds wake up, fill up each other's empty cups, share stories from our lives, from when we said goodbye. We can try to find what we left behind, take the good from the bad, leave the rest to the time. If we feel the same when we're sober, then maybe we can start over, start over. Can we start, can we start over? Can we start, can we start over? Can we start, can we start over? Can we start over, start over? Can we start, can we start over? Can we start, can we start over? Can we start, can we start over? We can start over. I roll the possibilities and everything I used to be out of reach. I'm back where I started, empty-handed and heavy-hearted, hanging on to memories. It feels like I'm stuck in the deep end,